was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you again.
Hi guys, I just finished the installation with the bulb inside the trunk, and this is the stock bulb that was inside there. This is the one I used. This one has a chip to prevent the light from blinking, as you can see it. Okay, you can also use this kind. Yeah, I was trying to use this one because this one is brighter, but the bulb on the trunk, it has like a mesh for protection, and because of that this one doesn't fit. It's too tall. The space on the mesh is very small, so this one doesn't fit. But I'm gonna put the links on the description so you can get your bulbs. Okay, thanks.
But I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong, and instead, 'cause I